Hello, dear friends. First, listen to the following passage. Then, from the content of the passage, answer the following 7 questions. Lecture title: The Role of Technology in Modern Education. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss the impact of technology on modern education, particularly how it has transformed teaching methods, student engagement, and overall educational outcomes. Let's start by looking at how technology has changed the way educators deliver content. In the past, teaching was largely a one-way process, where instructors would lecture, and students would passively take notes. However, with the advent of digital tools such as interactive whiteboards, online resources, and educational software, teaching has become much more interactive. These tools allow teachers to create more dynamic and engaging lessons, which can cater to different learning styles and keep students more involved in the learning process. Another significant impact of technology is the accessibility of education. Online courses and educational platforms have made it possible for students from all over the world to access high-quality education. This means that education is no longer confined to the walls of a classroom or even the limits of a country. A student in a remote village can now learn from the best universities and instructors globally, breaking down geographical barriers. Technology also plays a crucial role in student collaboration and communication. Tools like discussion boards, video conferencing, and collaborative platforms like Google Docs or Microsoft Teams allow students to work together in real time, regardless of their physical location. This fosters a more collaborative learning environment, where students can share ideas, ask questions, and solve problems collectively. Moreover, technology has also revolutionized assessment methods. Traditional exams and quizzes are now being supplemented with more diverse forms of evaluation, such as online quizzes, digital portfolios, and peer assessments. These new methods provide a more comprehensive view of a student's understanding and skills, rather than just their ability to memorize and recall information. Finally, technology has paved the way for personalized learning. Adaptive learning platforms use algorithms to analyze a student's progress and tailor the learning experience to their individual needs. This means that students can learn at their own pace, receive instant feedback, and focus on areas where they need more practice. Personalized learning ensures that no student is left behind and that everyone can reach their full potential. In conclusion, technology has significantly enhanced modern education by making learning more interactive, accessible, collaborative, and personalized. As educators, it's crucial that we continue to integrate technology into our teaching practices to better prepare students for the future.
After listening to the reading, you can answer the following 7 questions. Answers at the end of the video.